Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create username in Phantom Wallet. So recently, Phantom Wallet launched this feature in which you can create a unique human readable name that we called in short a username that is linked to your own wallet address. It will make it easier for you to send and receive funds without sharing complex wallet addresses. So in my opinion, this is one of the best things that Phantom Wallet did. So here now you can create your username. So in order to create it, you need to just open your Phantom Wallet mobile application, and here on the home page you will be able to see this banner of create your @username. So here you need to tap on this banner, and here you just have to wait for some time until it shows you the option of adding your username. So here it will ask you to create your username. So here you need to tap on the continue button in the bottom, and then you just have to simply start creating your username. So here you need to first type @ and then you just have to type your name. So here you can type anything like this. Now once you are done by setting your username, you just have to simply press continue in the bottom, and then your username or your unique username will be created for Phantom Wallet. Now you can use this username in order to send and receive your cryptos very easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.